Hi, it's Stacy here from CraftaholicMomma.blogspot.com, and today I'm going to make a card for the February 2018 challenge over at the Scrapping for Less Show and Share Facebook group. I'll have the links below, and I will show the sketch here at the end, or maybe I'll plug it in the middle here somewhere. But I'm using collection number 2 from the February Scrapping for Less Flavor of the Month card kit because I love Doodlebug and I thought it would go great with this sketch. I'm also going to pull out my stitched heart and lacy dies from Lawn Fawn, and I'm going to use the Seeing Spots embossing folder from Cuttlebug. And I'm also using some of the solid cardstock, which is MFT from the kit as well. So I've already got all my pieces cut and ready to go to make this video a little bit shorter. I did scallop the white border edge here with my Fisker's scallop punch. It's an older punch. I'm sure it's still around. I'm using the Glue Dots permanent tape runner. I just discovered this at CHA and I love it. And here's the refill. And it has 72 feet on it, so there's a lot on it. And it's very affordable. And you can go over to Teresa at the Scrapping for Less pre-order group and you can find it there. So I'm going to go ahead and just tape these layers down. This Doodlebug paper is from their Fairy Tales collection that came out last year. It debuted at Creativation 2017 and it is so cute. It's definitely geared towards girls because it's bright rainbow pastels and it's unicorns and presents and rainbows, and it's just really cute. It's very pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and tape down this embossed heart on top of the scallop lacy heart. I just recently picked up these dies from Lawn Fawn. They just came out with them, I think, a month or two ago, and I love them. They are just perfect. So I'm just trying to figure out if I want to put my heart on top of that banner or underneath it, and I think I'm going to go on top because I don't want to cover up the point of the heart. And it still goes along with this sketch, so I think I'm just going to put it on top. So I'm going to pop it up with some of my 3M Scotch foam tape, and I'm just getting my what's the word for it? Getting my layout here sized right so I know where to put everything. Make sure I have room for everything. I'm going to use those icon stickers from the collection as well as my focal image. So I'm going to go ahead and pop that up. Now, with these white hearts, I decided they blend in too much to the pattern paper, so I'm going to excuse myself for a minute and go die cut some more of the lacy hearts that fit those white ones out of the pink paper that I used before for the big one. So I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back with these little lacy hearts, and I'm going to go ahead and layer them up with the white hearts on top. And get them put down with some adhesive squares. This tape runner, ever since Tombow discontinued I think it was called the stamp runner, something like that. It was where you could run it out and then you could also stamp it down like individual dots. It was pink. They also had a light blue version, but you see a lot of the paper crafters used it for many, many years. Well, last year they discontinued it, and it was my favorite runner, so I've had a hard time finding a replacement. I tried the Kyoku, I think it's called, but those refills are very expensive, and I could really only find them for a decent price off of Amazon. And they were generally shipped overseas, so they took a while to get here. And I just kind of wanted to find a tape runner, a smaller tape runner. I do have an ATG gun, and I just wanted to find something that was a little bit more usable. So I went ahead and used some scrapbook adhesive brand foam squares to put those little hearts down. And now I'm going to decide on what I want for my focal image. I thought about putting the two ice creams together, but the one ice cream is half white, so I think it would have blended in too much with the white heart, so I decided to go with the cupcake. Then I'm going to go ahead and put these little hearts down here, in here, down at the bottom, and my card is pretty much done. So if you are interested in signing up for one of these card kits, head on over to the Scrapping for Less website, scrappingforless.com, and click on the Flavor of the Month tab. This kit unfortunately sold out right away the first day it was revealed, but if you definitely want to make sure you get yourself a kit, guaranteed, make sure you sign up. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and like this video. And here's a shot of what was in that particular collection. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.